Good evening, pony people. I am so excited to share with you my new H1G1C holiday baby ponies that just came in the mail a couple days ago. I'm not really good at Facebook Live videos, so I'm going to make a unboxing video for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Anyone that's ever visited my custom dungeon and seen my craft table knows that I tend to hoard a lot of bait ponies, and I go to great lengths to restore them in preparation for customizing. I feel very strongly that we should not customize good condition My Little Ponies from the 80s. And so the H1G1C ponies are a real game changer for me. I can have beautiful, clean, white plastic bodies to work on without having to go to all the work of sun bleaching and all the other processes that I go through to make a good bait ready for its new life as a custom. So here's this adorable little teeny tiny H1G1C pony. I'm using my Cleopatra comb from vintagehairstyling.com to style her hair. She's got 2 rows of plugs and popping her head off. I always do this. Beautiful clean lines, and tail's easy to remove and put back in, put in securely with a plug that won't rust. Really smooth body. I really love the hair. It's very securely rooted. It's brilliant, and look how crisp and clean the detail is, and the blush, it's perfect. So she's ready for whatever is next. I absolutely love the detail on these and how well they're made. I love the plastic. It's so soft and smooth. Yeah, they're great. So here I am. Yes, gonna open up holiday ponies. These are the Christmas ones. And I was so excited to get these when I saw them come out, and I knew that the teeny tinies were sold with them. I about died. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. I love his hair color already, and oh, the candy canes, that beautiful crisp symbol. It's gorgeous. Mary Treats and Dasher had a baby, and he's beautiful. It comes with a ribbon. And yeah, I love the hair color on this one. It's a slightly lighter color than like medley green. He needs a little bit of a spa day. He spent a lot of time in a package on his way here, and he's still really cold from being in the mailbox. But as you can see, the hair is really firmly rooted. Really nice. Really nice. And I can't wait to get his hair all curled up and trim the ends off just a little wee bit. But as you can see, lots of great detail in this one too. The symbol is perfect. Eyes are bright and clean. His tail's firmly rooted. Absolutely lovely. I love him. His blush is perfect. He's definitely going to go in my collection box. I don't think I'm going to customize this one. So next in the bag is this adorable, oh my gosh, I just squeed when I saw the pictures. She's a little teeny tiny white baby with beautiful red hair. Same color as the Rice Krispies baby. And oh, she's so cute. And I love the little holly leaf symbols. She's adorable. I do wish the green was the same color in her eyes as her symbol, but it's so pretty. I don't care. She's so cute. I don't think I'm going to customize this one. And here are the Hanukkah ponies. And get this package open. Yeah, you can see I'm still wearing my fleece sweater. It's really cold, -4 degrees, so I'm bundled up in this picture. Here we go. Oh my goodness. So here we go, opening up the teeny tiny. Absolutely love these little teeny tinies. They're so cute. Oh, look at this. So she has the Star of David and this crisp and clean symbol. Just look at that. Lovely. And beautiful, beautiful blue eyes and beautiful blue hair. These bodies are so soft. I love the plastic and the little heart cutie mark. Look at that. Here we go, opening up the dreidel baby boy. These are really special. It was really inclusive to make Hanukkah ponies this year, and oh, look at that. He has a little dreidel. This was the blue color that I wish Hasbro had used, but now we have it. Here's the dreidel in 2 tones of blue and silver on the symbol. I don't know if you can tell, that's silver on the dreidel. Blue eyes, ribbon. Absolutely love this hair. It is so firmly rooted. He's beautiful. These are lovely, lovely quality ponies. I just can't stop touching them. They're so soft and new and pretty. It's so exciting to have something like this. And here they are together. Happy Hanukkah. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these adorable H1G1C babies as much as I have. Be sure to join the Facebook group where you can see all of the new ones coming out, and there's a lot. Get your hands on some of your own. I will be making some very special molds that we'll hopefully see in the near future. And I'll also be making more videos showing some of the adult H1G1C blank ponies and some of the themed ones as well. So again, thanks for watching. See you soon.